sheep in that field, so we could get into trouble with the farmer. We get down here. Yeah, I think we can. Hopefully, wouldn't end badly. I feel like Geo Wizard on one of his straight line missions. If I don't go flying here, it would be a miracle. All I can say is, I'm glad I brought a change of clothes. Welcome back to another video. We're back at Manchester Airport today. Once again, it's nice and wet and rainy. And muddy, very muddy. Now I wasn't going to do any talking today. I was just going to come here and get some footage of aircraft. Make a bit of a compilation. But the direction of takeoff and landing isn't really going in my favour, not as much as I was hoping anyway. I've decided to go on a little bit of a wander as well. So I'm going to go up and walk through the River Bolling Tunnel again. Some of you may have seen the video. If not, have a look back through the videos. You'll see it there. So yeah, going to have a walk underneath there through to the other side. Possibly have a look at the runway part, the visitors centre. And then I'm planning on walking back under another tunnel. Now the other tunnel is a foot tunnel that runs parallel to the road tunnel. So I've not been through there before. So at the minute we're just walking along the side of runway 2. We go back under the River Bolling Tunnel through to the other side. See what we can see over there. Yeah, so as I said, it is very muddy. I thought it was bad last time I was down here. Nothing compared to today. But I suppose that was summertime. Well, as much summer as we get here. Yeah, so this is the River Bolling Tunnel that will take us under runway 2. As I say, I've already done a video on this tunnel, so I'll pop a link in the description. So for anyone that's watched the River Bolling Tunnel video, you might remember that I turned right up there, which took me up above the entrance to the tunnel. Now today, can't see anything. Now today, we're turning left instead. We'll see where this takes us. Seems quite nice around here. I must admit, I do like autumn. One of my favourite seasons. That's the River Bolling, just a little bit further downstream. Yeah, so got a few interesting things in the pipeline for the channel. Some more places that we're going to be exploring. We're going to be visiting some more airports. We're going to be doing some more travel videos too. So, if any of those things interest you, stay tuned. We've taken the right fork, which I think it's a dead end, but from what I can see on OS Maps, it looks like it takes us to the end of runway 1. Whether we can see anything is another thing. But if we don't look, we don't know. Doesn't look very promising, unless once again we can get round on the edge. Ooh, might be able to, you know. Well, it was kind of when they built the runway to put the banking in so we can't see anything. Thought this was a dead end for a minute, but it's not. Oh, nearly. Ooh, bugger. Got prickled by something. It's not great round here for walking. Hope this isn't electric. So we'll find out. I'm alright. We're all good. Might be middle of October and it might be raining. It's not cold. Very humid. Is this right? There's a fence here. Does that mean we can go across it? So it looks a bit like a stile, doesn't it? Alright, well we're going anyway. There's sheep in that field. So we could get into trouble with a farmer. Anyway, let's go. Yeah, so I'm not sure if we're allowed to be in here. Looks like a farmer's field. Oh. Never mind. Big question is whether we're going to need to turn back up here, or if there's a way through. As I said before, if we don't look, we'll not know. Right, we appear to be right next to the road tunnel entrance. Can we get through here? Can we get down here? Yeah, I think we can. Right, let's do it. Let's do it. Hopefully, and badly. I feel like Geo Wizard on one of his straight line missions. Far less graceful. Right. Let's get down here now. If I don't go flying here, it would be a miracle. Haha, that was worth it. Brought us out perfectly next to the tunnel. Right, so this is the foot tunnel that runs parallel to the A380. It was built in 1982 to accommodate the extension to the runway here at Manchester Airport. Now, unlike the River Bolling Tunnel, this one goes all the way under runway 1. We go out into the open air, and then it goes under runway 2. Yeah, so I'm just chatting to a guy that's currently working on the tunnel, fitting new doors to it. So apparently these doors, I'm guessing it's these doors. It's all new doors being fitted. Let's have a look through there. Yeah, so what they're for is, if there's an accident in the tunnel, it's an evacuation point to get people out of there and into the safety of this one. Yeah, at the moment we're right underneath runway 1. We'll shortly be coming out into the open air. It's a long tunnel. Another one of the evacuation doors from the road tunnel. Here we are coming out into the open air, but it's not the end of the tunnels. At the moment we're in between runway 1 and runway 2. Yeah, quite funny to think that we're currently sandwiched in between the two runways. Very busy road. I wonder what those doors are up there. We've got a balcony on it. What's this, an apartment? Yeah, so we're now in the second tunnel, which is taking us under runway 2. Now, I was going to have a walk round to the runway visitors centre, but looking at the time, I want to try and get the A380 taking off. Again, if you've seen the River Bolling Tunnel video, you might remember that it was delayed, so I had to leave before I saw it take off. I think it's scheduled for it's scheduled for, I think, 14:05, but it's delayed till 14:25. So I'm hoping I'm going to be back in time to see that. We shall see. Yeah. Very interesting. CCTV throughout as well. We're being watched. We're watching them watching us. Here we are, out the other side. Now, I also believe that it's this road tunnel where Cristiano Ronaldo crashed his Ferrari quite a few years ago. Yeah, need I say more? Can't get any further up here. Right, yeah, I'm just having a chat with the friendly security guard, and he said I am allowed up here. So yeah, if you're watching, thank you, and thanks for telling me I can come through here, because I'd have just carried on and probably got lost, even more lost. Right, so not sure which way we go here, left or right. Is it up there or down here? Got a feeling. No, it's not down here. I think this is a fire station. The airport fire station, I think. That's interesting to see. This looks like the footpath. Yeah, so that is the fire station from the other side. Yeah, again, fire station there. We've got the access straight onto the runway, and we have a plane. Oh, aye, look at that. Wow. Fantastic. Right, it's either go down there or sneak up here. I think we'll go the sneaky route. Right, what's this we've got up here? You know what I think it is? I think it is the top of the River Bollin tunnel again, but not the same side we were on last time. No, we're on the other side. It's just as bloody scary, I'll tell you that. Yeah, so that is the bridge that we walked across earlier. Still a long way down. Let's see it. How's that happened? Hey. Yeah. Right. I think we're going to have to divert back down now. Over here. Ah, of course, yeah. This is why we came down earlier. Yeah, of course. Right. Back on familiar ground now. Good job I brought a change of clothes. Look at this. Right. Ooh, these are slippy. Slippy, slippy, slippy. No, it's that warm. I've had to take my cap off. Yeah, so we're heading back to the car now. That was the other tunnel at Manchester Airport. Hope you've enjoyed the video. It has been a little bit hastily put together because I wasn't planning on doing this video today, but it's been interesting. We've got lost, met a friendly security guard, and we've got to walk underneath both runways. So if you've enjoyed today's video, you give us a nice big thumbs up, be very much appreciated. Also, if you're not already subscribed, possibly even consider subscribing. Again, that would be very much appreciated. So yeah, other than that, thank you for watching. See you next time. See ya.